My name is Filip Rakovski and I'm a Chief Operating Officer at MDN Freight. We have over 150 trucks and 250 drivers operating across North America. The biggest impact Alvys had on our company is to help us scale. And what I mean by that is cut down our workers' time building and tracking loads by 50%. Big customers are requiring logistics companies that have automated systems that can scale. Using modern systems like Alvys can help you land big customers. With the native ADI feature, our customers, they have access to our loads, they can see where our trucks are at, they can get updates immediately as soon as the load is picked up. As soon as the load is delivered, they get access to all of our invoices immediately. So it's just a seamless process from pickup to delivery. The AI reporting, it's amazing. It gives us so much insight of what's happening with our drivers, trucks, loads. It's just so much data on one place, and you can view it on a daily basis, analyze it, and make your next decisions based just on that data. Since implementing Alvys in June 2024, we saw the results within the first year. Our truck count increased from 60 to 100 trucks within 12 months. Alvys helped us scale big. It helped us automate our dispatch department, our accounting department, our safety department, and it helped us land new customers. If somebody is asking me about whether they should consider Alvys or not, I would definitely recommend it. I would advise them to first see a demo and see what amazing things Alvys can do for their company.